Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing millet set dosa recipe. Set dosa is also known as sponge dosa and is a popular breakfast recipe in South India. What makes set dosa different is its soft and pillowy texture, and it also has small holes all over the dosa. The best thing about set dosa is even when it has cooled down, the dosa stays soft and spongy. So it's an ideal breakfast to carry to work as a lunchbox meal for you, or as a tiffin for kids, or as a travel meal. Today I'm using millets to make this a more healthy and nutrient dense breakfast meal which can be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, add in 1 cup raw rice, also known as pachari in Malayalam. Now for this recipe I am using a small 125 ml measuring cup. Add in 1 cup little millet, also known as sama rice, chama rice or samay rice. Now if you are new to my channel, please note that I have shared many millet based dosa recipes. Please feel free to check my previous video on little millet to understand its health benefits and why you should include millets in your diet. The links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. Add in 2 tablespoons methi seeds, which is very beneficial if you have health issues like diabetes. Add in some water, rinse well and discard the water. Now again wash and rinse until the water runs clear. Now add in 1 cup whole urad dal and let it soak for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, the rice, methi seeds and the millets are soaked well. I am using the blender jar of my mixie to grind. Add in all the soaked ingredients into the blender. For this recipe I am using cooked rice, though you can use soaked poha instead. So I am adding in a handful of cooked rice, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and 1 to 1.5 cups of water, and grind this to a fine batter. Now pour the ground batter into a bowl and cover with the lid. Let it rest to ferment for about 8 to 10 hours, preferably overnight. Do not use a tight lid as we need the airborne wild yeast to help with the fermentation process. And guys, did you know that foods that are fermented has an abundant supply of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in iron absorption. So include traditional fermented recipes like dosa and idli in your diet. So the next morning the batter is nicely fermented and is ready to make dosa or idli. Yes, with this batter you can also make soft spongy idlis. Now let's make fresh curry leaves chutney to have with this set dosa. Into my chutney grinder, I am adding in 3 handfuls of grated coconut. Add in half cup fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate and very beneficial for those with iron deficiency anemia. Do check my Insta story highlights to know how to store curry leaves for up to a month. Add in 2 green chilies, 3 to 4 shallots for that extra antioxidants, pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in half cup water and grind it well. If you want a thinner consistency for your chutney, increase water accordingly. I prefer slightly thick chutney. And once the chutney is ground, this is how it looks. Transfer the ground chutney to a bowl. For tadka, heat a small kadai. Add in 1 teaspoon coconut oil or any unrefined oil of the place you live in. Add in half teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 to 3 whole red chilies broken, 2 shallots sliced and mix well. Add in 1 sprig fresh curry leaves and again mix well, and once the shallots starts to turn light golden brown, pour it over the chutney. And healthy and nutrient rich fresh curry leaves chutney is ready to serve. Now let's make millet set dosa. Heat an iron tawa and grease it with gingerly oil. Add in 1 to 1.5 ladleful of the millet dosa batter and lightly spread it out. Drizzle in just a few drops of desi ghee. Ghee helps the vitamins and minerals absorb faster into your body, especially fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. Needs healthy fats like desi ghee for better assimilation. Cover and cook the dosa on low flame for about a minute, and once done, flip it over and again cook. Repeat the same process with the batter. Serve the millet dosha to a plate and enjoy it with the super nutritious curry leaves chutney. And a teaspoon of homemade pickle for that extra probiotics. Always try to eat healthy, make your meals nutrient dense. Do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.